What is up, guys? Today I'll be removing this radio from a 2014 Kia Forte Koupe. It shouldn't be that hard. Let's get to it. So here I'm unboxing the radio, the Android radio I got for the car. I'm not really gonna show you any installation video of this radio. I just didn't have time to make any step-by-step installation video for this radio, so I just made a quick video of removing the radio and showing what this radio looks like. We'll hope you guys follow the video along and hope you guys have a better radio in your Kia Forte one day. This is what the radio looks like. It's a tablet Android radio basically, so you can do whatever you want. You can modify the radio and all. So first thing, we gotta remove the stream right here. It shouldn't be that hard. Just grab a trim removal tool and start removing it like this. Slowly, gently pry it open and don't break any clips. Try to do it gently as possible because I almost broke a clip. As you guys can see, there are 4 clips total. I had to use 2 hands at the end because it was getting tough. So next we're gonna remove the screw right here. And then we're just gonna pry this bezel off. Just gently pull the bezel off. There's a few clips on there. If you do it slowly and gently, it should come right off. So once you get it off, there should be a cable to the hazard lights, and you just unplug that cable. There's a little tab up top. You just push that in and then pop the thing out. As you can see, this tab right here, that's what you push in and then pull the cable out. It should come right out. And there you go, the bezel's out. Next, we're gonna remove these 4 screws right here. There should be 1, 2, 3, and 4th. It shouldn't be that hard. You just use a Phillips screwdriver and then you just remove the radio and remove all these wires back here. And you can install your new radio just like this. So after installing the new radio, it's really amazing. I really love it. It's not for me, it's for my friend. And it's really great. Basically a tablet, and it has CarPlay too. And you can go on YouTube, you can go browser and everything. So it's really worth it. I'll post the link below in the description. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you on the next one.